Ernie here with Your Home Solar. You know, we work very hard to make sure that our customers are educated in their solar investment. As part of that goal, we've decided to create a series of videos just really focusing on commonly asked questions that we hear. So the next question that we hear all the time is, should I get a solar system or should I get a generator? And first thing I'd like to say is they are not mutually exclusive. A generator is actually a great complement to a robust solar system to back up your batteries and your panels and all that stuff. If all that a customer is concerned with is a small or the occasional outage that doesn't last very long, then a generator is probably fine in that scenario. However, if you're looking for a more robust system that's going to be able to handle a long-term outage or even off-grid kind of setup where you're backing up a large amount of things for a long period of time, really your best solution is going to be a solar system. Then on top of that, with a solar system, you're actually getting an offset of your electricity bill because you're going to be using that solar system every day, and it's going to be offsetting that daily usage at the same time. Whereas if you've just got a generator on there, you might use it once, maybe twice a year. Generators fuel, if you're trying to provide for long-term usages, the fuel starts adding up, the costs on that start adding up pretty quickly. The maintenance, if you're using a generator quite a bit, the maintenance really starts to add up after a while, and they'll wear out pretty quick if you're trying to use them a lot. And then, with the solar system, the only fuel that's required is the sun. And ever since I've been alive, that I can remember, the sun's came up pretty much every day. So your fuel is really unending. And then as far as maintenance goes, really the only maintenance that's required on a solar system, I'll explain that, but a good solar system, the only maintenance that is required is really cleaning the panels. And that's really only necessary at most maybe once a year that you may need to clean the panels. With that being said, if you're looking for those long-term solutions and you're looking for something that's going to offset your electricity bill, the solar system really is the best answer to that. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. We hope this video has helped you in better understanding your solar investment. And as always, we here at Your Home Solar wish you many sunny days.